Okay, so we made it to the Grampians. Found a spot, camping, table, camp spot, campfire, mountains. I'm excited. That in the last video, that was so much fun.
Oh yeah.
You always do like something, yeah.
That was fun. That was fun.
I like it. I want some vitamins.
Yes.
I got some fish oil.
What do we got?
Fish oil,
Yeah.
magnesium and zinc,
Yeah.
vitamin B, vitamin B12. You guys want some psalms? What is going on, YouTube? So we're here at the Grampians, just set up our tents. Peasants. We got the camp chairs, we got the fire going on. We're about to go to the balconies to get the sunset, which is just so beautiful. And hopefully I can get some crazy cool content. I'm so excited.
Okay, sir, I'm sorry. John first, what?
This is my voice, darling.
Yeah.
Don't
Don't do what we do.
Oh, no, no.
Can I watch it?
I'm all about the photos.
This is magical. Wow, look at you guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah, when it's liquid in the middle, dude, it's glorious. I feel like we should clap your house. Good morning, YouTube. Currently here hiking Mount William at the Grampians. Oh my god. The walk is very steep, but we're trying to catch sunrise. Slightly missed it, but the sky is turning pink. The sun is coming from that way, and the view up here was just ridiculous. It was slightly foggy, but the pink sunrise creeping up made it just look literally picturesque, and it's beautiful. I hope the clouds don't block anything, but I'll show you guys what it looks like at the top. So this is the view that we just walked for, drove for, and woke up early for.
That's not good.
It's so cool, so beautiful. You probably can't hear what I'm saying, so I I'm just gonna show you the waterfall. Oh guys, life is so amazing. Ooh, a cave. How incredible is this? Oh my god. I just ran to catch sunset. It is so beautiful, guys. My battery's about to die, but I made it. This is magical, man.